Okay, I just started recording and I share the screen. Thanks, Annie, for reminding. Okay, so this is the yesterday what we have learned. Cross join, self join, union, all, intersect, accept. Then so far we have already learned about the where select statement, and then order by. Yeah. Okay. Then we add this. Previously, last week we have learned about the inner join, and then after that outer join and full join. And today we're going to continue with one moment, yeah. Yeah, function group by and then having. Okay, so the first sessions we will be covering this. After that, the next sessions we're going to learn about the subquery. Yeah. Okay, so let's start with this function group by and having. So when you write the query, very often we have to create the function. What is function? Function basically a code that we can run repeatedly. Okay, so function is illustrated as a black box. Fx. This is a function. So the function has an input and then it has the output. If you want to use the function, you just call the function. Okay, by calling the function, then after that you will be able to call by passing the value, the input. Then after that you will get the output. Yeah. Wait. Okay. So the function itself, it has a different type of a function, like scalar function, table value function. Yeah, depends on the output. So a scalar that return single value. Today the writing is very bad. Table value. Okay, yeah. So we're going to learn about this first. Now let's look at the sample that we have. So I open the Azure Data Studio, and this one is from yesterday. I just close everything first. Okay, yeah. So file, open file. Okay, so function, it has the function name, and then also it has the input and then it has the output. Yeah, so it has a name. Okay, yeah. So the name is useful to call a function, to identify the function, to delete the functions, and so on. Yeah. Okay, let's see here. This one is a normal query. Yeah, normal query. Okay. This normal query selecting the okay, sorry, yeah, I have to put here again the function here. Also, it has the system function, and then user defined. User defined function. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So example of the system function is this year, and then after that okay, normal query with the system function. Yeah. So select cells start date. Yeah, it's a date. Yeah, and then it has a component like year. Yeah, and then after that product ID. Sorry, the year, month, or a day. Yeah. So that's the system function. Okay. So if a normal query normally like this. Okay, so I don't put the year here. Like this. Yeah. So you run. Okay. Select start date. Okay. This one is start date. Mm. From the sales LT product. Sell start date. Correct. Sell start. Okay. This one is sell start date. Okay. This is normal one. Yeah. Okay. Still running. Wait for a while. Okay. This one is okay. Still running. Wait for a while. Wow, today is very slow, the server. So what is this? Basically selecting the three column, yeah. Select sell start date, which is here, and then also the product ID, and then a name from the table sales LD product. You see here, yeah. So it is a day, a date column that has the component like year, month, day, and then hour, minute, second, and millisecond. But I just want to see the year of this column. Yeah? So I use a function year. So year is a system function. Run. Okay. So it will take only the year. Two, we have a month. Yeah. This one is a alias. Yeah. You can put also as like this. Yeah. As. Yeah. So this to name this. Yeah. I can also, for example, put the month, yeah, of the this. Month is a known functions. Okay. Okay. Now waiting to run. Yeah, very slow. You see here, this is the month. Yeah. For example, June becomes 6. Yeah? And then 7. Okay, there are so many function in the SQL system function. Okay, so let's have a look at the Google TSQL system function. Okay, yeah. So all of this is the name of the system function. This is the is numeric, yeah. Then is null, new ID depends on the category like a system, yeah. And then after that the other function, yeah. The logical, mathematical, date and time, yeah. You have the this month and then year. Okay, yeah. This is the reference, yeah. Then after that the mathematical, yeah. Absolute, yeah. A cos, a sin, a tangent, yeah. Log power and so on. Okay, so I just give you the link to the TSQL list of the function. Okay, so I put into the chat box. Okay, yeah. So we're going to learn a few of them here. Scalar function is basically a function that returning a single value. What is the meaning scalar? Scalar is like this. If you have a table, the table has the column and row. For example, like this. This one is a table. We call it a table. Okay, this is row. And then this is a column. Okay, so if you have this table, okay, wait. Very funny. Okay, I just throw again one more time. Okay, like this, yeah. And this one is a scalar. Yeah, this one is a scalar. So scalar meaning single cell, the first and the first column and the first row. This is scalar. So if a function returns scalar, meaning function return a single value. This value can be a text or a numeric or a date or any scalar as long as a single. So what is the opposite of the scalar? The opposite of the scalar is a table. Yeah, table is a multiple scalar, multiple row, multiple column. Yeah, numeric, yeah, or a character or a boolean, yeah, true or false, or also a date. It depends. Eh? Okay, let's see the scalar function. Okay, okay, yeah. So let's see here for the scalar function. Yeah. Okay. So this scalar function is returning the scalar. Yeah, year and then date, the name. Okay, let's look here. Okay, yeah, so you can see here that all of this function returning only the scalar. Yeah. So maybe you have a question. So is there any function that not returning scalar? Yes, there is a function that returning a table. Let's look at the different function, which is just now we have seen in the where here you go. Yeah. So here in the date and time, you also have the function like date the different, and then a date add. Yeah, to add the date. Yeah. So we have a few sample here in the okay. Now let's see here some other function, which is the date the different. Yeah, date different is looking for the difference between the, for example here. Yeah, this one is a cell state start the date with the get the date is a function that taking the current day and time. Yeah, so I open a new query, for example. Okay, select get the date. Yeah, get the date is a function that return the current date and time. Okay, here you go. Yeah, so get the date. Yeah, now this one. So get the date is basically return the current the database system timestamp. Okay, and let's have here. Okay, select edit. Yeah, you see here. It will be returning the current date and time. Yeah, year, month, and also the day. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, get the date, yeah, so the current day and time, and then compare with the cell start date, and then after that you want to check the difference, but you only want to return the year component. Yeah, okay. Okay, so here 20 years this item already been sold. Now let's see the other function that works at the different data type, which is the text, yeah, upper. Yeah, so from the name you can guess that this one is a uppercase. Yeah, so for example, the name of the product, you see road frame. Yeah, we have the capital R, and then after that lowercase OAD. Yeah, okay, then after that run. Now you see here all the product are basically uppercase. Yeah? Okay, and then other than upper, what we have here? Text, yeah, string. Here. So you have the list of the ASCII character, concat, yeah, format, left, length, lower, L trim, okay, right, okay, so many, yeah, and just now was upper. We also have the lower, like this, yeah. So if you edit your query, okay, then after that I also put the this one, yeah, but lower. Yeah. Okay, yeah, run. Okay, you see here, change to this, yeah, and there are some others, yeah, which you can refer to this for your reference. This one, yeah, right, left, yeah. For example, I just give you another example of the string function. All right, for example, like this. Select, yeah, right, like this, yeah. So from the string Suryanto here, you want to get the 3 characters from the right, yeah, here. Okay, so you get the NTO, yeah, and then after that the left, yeah, same. Uh, sorry. Okay, yeah. So here, for example, I put 3 from the left, yeah. Then okay, I think I cannot use this one. I put again in the select, yeah, because this one is not column. This one scalar, yeah. So you see here, right is NTO, and then left is SUR. So this is from the left, and the other one is from the right. Okay, and then after that the concat. Yeah, concat is basically make it continuously. Yeah, first name and last name you concat with the space in between. Yeah, plus a space. Okay, so this is the first name, and then you put the space in between, and then last name. Okay, this one is also can be written just using the plus, yeah, like this. Okay, yeah, so you don't have to use concat. Okay, this one also same. Yeah. So different way of getting the same result. This one without concat. Okay, yeah, left is you know already what is the meaning, yeah, taking the string, yeah, from the left, yeah, how many characters? Okay, yeah, this one, product type, yeah, this is the new column name given. And then a substring, yeah, what is substring? For example, like this, yeah, I have this Suryanto, then I want to get the Ryan from this name, yeah. So starting from the third character, yeah, this is a 1, 2, and then this is the third character. And then how many character I would like to get? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ryan is 4 characters. Yeah, so I use like this. Select substring. Yeah, and then after that here. So the substring require 2 parameters. Yeah, the first is the first position, which is number 3, the R. Yeah, and then the length. The length is 4 characters. Okay, yeah. So select substring this, run, yeah. So you will get this output. Yeah? So let me write in the whiteboard like this. Yeah? For example, the name is like this. This is my name. Okay, so you give the number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. Okay, so here, this is the first, yeah? The first is number 3. And then the length is 4 characters. So the substring requires you to pass the 2 parameter substring. This one, yeah. So the substring require the expression, the string, and then the start of the character and the length. Okay, start and the length. So here, for example, Suryanto, yeah, then after that, start from the third character, and then the length is 4 characters. Okay. So that's the substring, yeah. Okay, time is 9:42. So let me continue with a few more. Okay, length, yeah, the length of the string, character index. Okay, yeah, reverse, yeah, right. Okay, so very can be combination of the multiple function, yeah, to create the new column, yeah, size code, for example, yeah. So reverse right product number, yeah. Okay, so from the product number here, you see that we have the 58, for example, yeah. So we want to reverse and then after that right, yeah. So here right, okay, and then a product number 3, okay. So product number 3 from the right is this minus 58. Okay, then after that you will find the minus character index. Yeah, the character index, where is this position of this minus, yeah, which is number 3. Okay, then you will get this size code. Yeah. Okay, logical function is a function that returning either yes or no. Yeah. So 1 is a yes or true, and then 0 is a false or wrong. Yeah. Okay. Uh, okay, so I put here in the for the SQL the logical value boolean, yeah, or the logical, it has the two value, yeah, true or 1, yeah, and then false is a 0. Okay, so here select name size numeric size, yeah, where this numeric is size, yeah. For example, numeric, yeah, is can be the size, yeah, sorry, the size can be RML, yeah. So the RML is, for example, the medium, large, yeah, and then a big, yeah, or small, medium, yeah, or X, yeah. But it could be the number 62, 44, yeah. So they would like to check, yeah, when it is numeric, when it is number, then you will get 1, yeah. Okay, this is numeric size. Where is numeric size is 1. Okay, so I can put here is numeric size, yeah, this column. Okay, then after that you will see, yeah. Okay, yeah, numeric size is 1, meaning that it is numeric, yeah. If it is not, then it will be 0. For example, I exclude this where clause. I don't include it, so only select this one. So you see here, yeah. If it is not numeric, like a ML or null, yeah, then it will be given the 0. So this example of the logical function, the function that return true, false, yeah, or 0 and 1. Okay, yeah, this one, 1 or true, 1 or 0. Okay, another function is if, yeah, if, sorry, if, yeah. If is meaning if it is a statement true, then return this. If it is not, then this, yeah. So if it is yes or true, then use pipe. But if the statement return false, then you will use other. So that's if. Okay, yeah. So here, pipe or the other. Product category in a 567. So I put the product category here, yeah, in additional column. So I can show you like this. Yeah. Wait, still running. Still waiting. Okay, if the sessions stop or close abruptly, yeah, then we already cover this function. Yeah, okay, so you see here, product ID is not in 567. Yeah, so other, yeah, 567. So we look at the this one, product ID is 6, yeah, is a byte. But other than 567, it replaced with other. Okay, and then if if, yeah, the numeric size is equal to 1, then a numeric, and then if it is not, then a non-numeric. Okay, so I put here the size, yeah. I put the size here as an additional column. Okay, yep. Then after that, choose, yeah. Choose the cat product parent category ID by component clothing accessory as product type. Okay, so let's run here. Okay, so you will be looking for the let's put the cat product category ID on the left so we can see the original value. Okay, here. Yep. Ah, okay. So run. Okay, what is the meaning of the choose? Yeah, so choose is like this. Choose. Filter by title. Choose function. Here, yeah. So choose, yeah. Index, yeah, 1, 2, 3, yeah. Then value 1, value 2, yeah. This is the index, yeah. So for example, like this. in the product category, yeah, we have this product category. The table name is from join. Okay, this one, product category. Yeah, so the table name is a product category. Okay, then after that, here you can see the column. If you select everything from the product category, you have the category ID and the name. Okay, yeah, this one. Okay, this is a product category. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, the name is a by component. Yeah, okay, so this is the index and this is the name. So choose. Yeah, choose is a choosing from the this. If it is one, then a bikes. Yeah. If it is two, component. If it is three, clothing. It is four, accessories. Yeah. So that's the meaning of the choose. Okay. So you see here, product category ID one. Yeah. Then after that the two. Yeah. Then component. You see component. Yeah. Then the three clothings. You see here. Number three. Yeah. Clothing. So you want to give the name, yeah, based on the index. Okay. Windows function. Yeah. Windows function is a yeah, we have the rank. Okay, so select top 100. You know what is the meaning? Yeah, you only want to get the 100, and then after that you want to rank. Yeah, create a ranking. Why there are 1 1 1 1 5? Because this the same value. Yeah, so this is should be the ranking 1 2 3 4